The Keychron K7 Max is a mechanical keyboard designed for productivity and customization, offering a range of features to enhance your typing experience. Here's a breakdown of its specifications. Streamlined design. The K7 Max adopts a 65% layout, optimizing desk space while maintaining functionality. Its ultra-thin 18mm profile and anodized aluminum frame contribute to a modern and sophisticated appearance. Additionally, two-stage feet allow for adjustable typing angles for personalized comfort. Switch options. Users can choose between two variations of low-profile Gateron Mechanical switches for the K7 Max. The tactile T-shaft provides feedback without excessive noise, suitable for precise typing. Meanwhile, the smooth red axis offers rapid actuation, ideal for gaming and fast-paced typing tasks. Versatile connectivity. With Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired connectivity options, the K7 Max enables seamless switching between devices such as computers, tablets, or smartphones. Its 1000 Hz polling rate ensures ultra-low latency for responsive performance, whether for work or gaming. Customization features. The keyboard supports QMK and VIA software, allowing users to remap keys, program macros, and customize their typing experience according to their preferences. It also offers convenient switching between Windows and Mac OS layouts for compatibility with different operating systems. Noise reduction. Keychron integrates sound dampening materials like latex foam, an IXPE shaft pad, and a PET sheet into the K7 Max to minimize noise during typing sessions, promoting a quieter and more comfortable environment. Backlighting options. The K7 Max is available in versions with white or RGB backlighting, catering to different aesthetic preferences. Its durable LSA high PBT2 color injection keycaps ensure lasting quality and durability, enhancing the overall typing experience. Overall, the Keychron K7 Max combines sleek design, customizable features, and versatile connectivity options to meet the diverse needs of users seeking a high-performance mechanical keyboard for both work and play.